Put a jack here, raise it by a few inches, then we can fit our pan under there, just where the fuel filter is located. In case you get any spillage, it's going to catch that. Stuck, so we might need a pry bar on there. Got our little trusty pick again. Give it a pull. Put that down in our pan down there, and if you look in the bottom of here, that is ridiculously dirty, so we're going to get our extraction pump on that and clean that out. Get our extraction pump in there, make sure to get around to the bottom and pick all of that. Get all that out of there. Now it's nice and clean. Get some clean fuel in there and get a new filter back in. Wrong filter I had in my hand, so we've got the right one here. It's already got a rubber ring around it built on, so we get that in there. And got this handy little drum of diesel ready. Just going to pour some in slowly. That way we don't have any trouble restarting the car. Opposite sides. Get it tight. That's that one.